The AstraZeneca vaccine, which was almost 2 weeks ago procured from the government of Barbados and administered to hundreds of frontline healthcare workers to date, was recently erroneously given to a city businessman allegedly by a staff of the Georgetown Public Hospital. The 3,000 doses of the vaccine were strictly allocated for the immunization of frontline healthcare providers, after which the elderly and persons with comorbidities would later be inoculated with an additional tranche being sourced from the COVAX facility. Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony, in providing an update on the incident on Monday, pointed out that it is a total breach of the protocol in place by the senior member of the hospital.
We have an investigation that is ongoing to find out how it is that person who came in and got a vaccine who is not a frontline worker. That's a total breach of the protocols because the first set of people that we want to get vaccines are those who are most at risk. And therefore we have to investigate and see why this breach occurred and to make sure that we correct for it so that no future breaches like this would ever occur again.
Nightly News understands that the businessman took to social media to boast about taking the vaccine, an action which alerted members of the media to the discrepancy. Dr. Anthony further disclosed that 1,852 frontline healthcare providers have been administered the first jab of the vaccine to date. He stated that they will all receive the booster dose of the vaccine within 8 to 12 weeks from the first dose, and likely from the next tranche of vaccines expected within a week's time.
We would get the AstraZeneca vaccine coming in, and so we'll be able to give those persons who got the first dose their second dose with the next batch that is coming.
Okay. Meanwhile, when asked for an update on the probe into the death of police constable Rockcliffe Cozier, who reportedly died last Tuesday after receiving 2 doses of a vaccine for chickenpox, in addition to taking filaria prevention pills, Minister Anthony disclosed that details surrounding his death is pointing to something else.
There has been a post-mortem that was ordered for us to get a better understanding of what went on. That post-mortem was conducted on Friday. The preliminary information that I have is that the taking of the vaccines and the tablets are not the contributing factor to his death, and therefore once I get the complete report I'll be able to make a better, or at least to give more information.
Cozier of Supply East Bank Demerara, who was stationed at Police Division No. 4B, died about 15 hours at the Georgetown Public Hospital Corporation. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.